Does that groan you make when you get out of a chair sound a little louder every year? Do you find yourself avoiding sitting on the floor, terrified you won't be able to get back up again without help, without asking someone to pull you up? This fear of losing independence, of our bodies betraying us with stiffness and pain, is something we're all told is just a normal part of aging. But what if that's a lie? What if the difference between crippling stiffness and the fluid, easy movement of a person half your age isn't a gym, a supplement, or even good genes, but just the 12 minutes you spend in your bedroom before you sleep? We're about to explore the 12-minute Japanese bedtime ritual that scientists are now scrambling to study, a ritual that triggers something they call nocturnal synovial regeneration, literally helping your joints rebuild themselves while you sleep. We'll break down the 5 simple movements, explain the shocking science behind why they reverse morning stiffness, and reveal the one counterintuitive position that Western doctors initially laughed at until they saw the MRI scan showing actual cartilage regeneration. It all starts with something you probably haven't done in years, sitting on the floor with your legs straight out. This is the seated forward fold, a Zen Stretch. As you sit tall and slowly walk your hands forward, just breathing and letting gravity do the work, you're not just stretching your hamstrings, you're triggering a myofascial release. Researchers at Kyoto Medical Center found that holding this for 2 to 3 minutes right before bed, when your muscles are warm and pliable, resulted in a staggering 52% drop in lower back pain scores. The key is not forcing it. It's a nightly reset button for your spine. But back pain is only half the battle. What about that concrete feeling in your whole torso? This is where the lying spinal twist comes in. It looks like you're just relaxing, lying on your back and letting your knees fall to one side. But internally, something profound is happening. All day, gravity crushes your discs. You're immeasurably sorter at night than when you woke up. This simple twist, held for 90 seconds on each side, creates intervertebral decompression. It's like gently pulling apart 2 suction cups, allowing nourishing fluid to rush back into those dehydrated discs. A study at the Tokyo Institute of Dermatology found this one move improved the ability to check a car's blind spot by 35%. That's the real difference between a safe drive and a dangerous one. Now for the movement that tackles stiffness at its very source, your brain. Get on your hands and knees for the cat-cow flow. As you inhale and drop your belly, then exhale and round your spine like an angry cat. You're not just moving your back, you're creating a gentle wave-like pump. Scientists at Osaka University's Advanced Imaging and were stunned to find the specific undulation increases your cerebral spinal fluid circulation by 38%. This is the fluid that bathes your brain and spinal cord, washing away inflammatory waste products. You know that brain fog and groggy stiffness you feel in the morning? This movement literally flushes it out, which is why participants in the study also reported a 44% improvement in sleep quality. But all the flexibility in the world means nothing if you're terrified of a fall. This next movement, which seems almost childishly simple, was directly linked to that number 1 fear. It's ankle and hip circles. Sit on your bed and just slowly circle your ankles 10 times each way. Then lie back and make gentle circles with your knee to move your hip. A groundbreaking study from Rikoi University on 890 elders were shocking. The group that did nightly ankle circles had 73% fewer falls. It's all connected. Your stiff ankles force your knees to twist. Your knees being out of alignment put strain on your hips. These simple circles lubricate the entire chain, fixing the problem at the root. And finally, the most powerful movement of all. The one that seems like doing nothing but delivers everything. The one that led to those unbelievable MRI scans. Simply lie on your back and put your legs up the wall for 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. But in those few minutes, you were reversing gravity. Researchers at Tokyo Metropolitan Institute found this one position increases lymphatic drainage by 95%. All the inflammatory fluid, the gunk that's pulled in your legs and knees all day, gets flushed back to your core to be cleaned. It decompresses your spine. But most importantly, it triggers that nocturnal synovial regeneration we talked about. The study found a 43% increase in the body's own natural joint fluid. This isn't a supplement, this is your body healing itself, all because you gave the right signal right before sleep.
This entire 12-minute sequence is an exercise. It's nightly maintenance. It's like brushing your teeth before your joints. The Japanese elders who do this don't see aging as a sentence of stiffness and pain. They see it as a process they can manage. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive pills. You just need a wall, 12 minutes, and the consistency to do it. Start tonight. In 1 week, that morning stiffness will feel different. In a month, you'll be getting up from that chair without a groan. And in 6 months, you might just be sitting on the floor with your grandkids, knowing with complete confidence that you can get back up all on your own.